Hello everyone, my name is Daryl. I work as a software developer, and in this video I'm going to be continuing my Let's Play of TIS-100. We're going to be doing level 14. Since these are sandboxes, they're not considered levels. So this is level 14, Image Test Pattern 1. Let's give it a shot. I'm assuming here we're going to start messing, with this new thing here. So it's fill in the image buffer with a specified target test pattern. So let me read the manual for a sec on this section since I haven't had one of these kind of problems yet. So I need to quickly get myself familiar with this new type of commands for this. So if you do 0, 0, or is it... How do you actually output this? Oh, it needs to be done in sequence, I think. Let me try this. Okay, so that was just one of the examples that they had in the book where it was making the top left pixel white. So now that I see it's the same and it just repeats and it's like that, all we should need to do is, let's try this. Move ACC down, swap, move ACC down, swap, oh, SWP, swap. So this is supposed to be, we're going to need to make sure we're moving the X value over and then the Y value over once we reach the end. So to move the X value over, we're going to be swapping the original, adjusting the original ACC value. So this is just going to be add 1, and the max value is 30 characters wide, so sub 30, 31, and JEZEZ. But if it's not equal to 0, add 31. Do JNZ and Z. Let's just draw a line first. Let me just run that real quick. All right, so that's not... Oh. This needs to be J and Z. So this is working where it will draw one line, and then it resets and redraws the line again. So the only thing we need to do is, I think instead of doing this swap business, we'll use this node to store the other value, just to kind of keep it easy. In which case, all we need to do instead of swapping is to move right in ACC. Well, actually, we do need to swap. Swap, move right in ACC. Or we can just, actually that's true, we can just move right down. And we'll just have this offer up. So this should do the same thing, where it goes through one line. Which technically I think it's running slightly faster, actually. And then that's going to restart. Okay, so now we just need to do kind of a similar thing over here to provide the Y value. Move ACC left. Add 1. It's 18 characters tall, so we're going to sub 18. JNZ to NZ. Move 0 to ACC. JMP end. NZ add 18. And end. So let's see if that works. Oh, that's fantastic. Just out of curiosity, it technically works. You know, I think I'll actually accept that answer because I'm happy with the node count values. Now, I don't know. I feel kind of bad about that one. So obviously my intention was to go line by line, and that eventually gets the answer, but I'm pretty sure... Does that actually end up... it probably ends up being inefficient. There's probably... Let me look for it here. Yeah, like it's coloring over... Is it actually coloring over any duplicates? It's actually a good question. Because if this doesn't color over any duplicates, then it's actually probably slightly more efficient than my intended method. So I'm just curious to see. So far, I think we have no duplicates. I'm surprised this actually works without having any duplicates, right? Yeah, just go in there, fill in that one, fill in that one, and that one, and this one, and then this one, right? Okay, I'm actually going to accept that as an answer then, because that's actually more efficient than the way I was going to do it. So, obviously not the most efficient way, but that works. All right. So obviously that one was kind of introducing this. The next one will probably be a little bit more involved, but thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped you guys out and was entertaining. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.